What's going on, Robert? What's going on, Joskies? Habeen? Yeah, it's a bloody day, baby. It's a bloody day in the markets today. Once again, pulling on back. Mario Kopke, Kop. How do you pronounce your name, brother? I think I'm mispronouncing it. I'm sorry if I am. D Wade, KD, Joel. There we go, guys. Bloody day. Nasdaq down 1 point. Let's take a quick glance. Percent. It's down a percent today. It's so bloody right now. I had to scream on my pillow. Yeah, Viacom and Discovery are still dropping. Let's take a look. Discovery just came off a new low. Viacom new low today's 37.33. These stocks keep bleeding like we expected. They're falling and driving off the cliff. AMC's bounced to 928, bounced off of $9. GameStop as well, 150s. We're talking about the 150s. We're back at the 150s, baby. Dogecoin's even tanking. So everything is taking a hit today. That's at 34. Dogecoin's at 34. Oh yeah. Philip Morris, PM's bouncing. MO bouncing as well. What's going on, Keith? George? Let's take a look at the SPY. Bouncing off a new low, 410. The question is, are we gonna hold 400s or we're gonna come and sink under 400? So as of now, the pullback has begun, baby. It's starting. Tesla, 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 man. Yeah, Robert, they're both getting into that buy range for me. It's just, I don't know if I should wait longer. Is the market gonna pull on back even more? Let's take a look at the heat map. Ooh, that's a little painful to watch, to open. You guys see the Apple event? We announced on Monday that it might be a buy the rumor, sell the news, and boy, was it a it's a poop show. It hit 131.81. Apple is down almost 2% today, so we're dumping along with Nasdaq too. Take a look at Amazon, down 1%. Facebook up barely, coming down from the lows of 297. How did Boeing do? Boeing also pulled back 232. Look at this one. Boeing just fell off a cliff too. American Airlines. Netflix has earnings too. I don't know when. I think this week. I think on Thursday. Or today. Oh, they have earnings today. Wow. Earnings today for Netflix after hours. eBay is green today. Yeah, you guys have been mentioning this one. The recent IPO. This reminds me of Coinbase. Too scared about those IPOs, man. Coinbase pulled back to 312. Okie dokie. I'm waiting for Apple to pull back. It's please comment on Netflix. They have earnings. I don't know what else to say. I don't even have a Netflix account. I'm not a consumer, you know? I gotta give it to Apple, man. New iMac and new iPad, I think. Yeah, they came out with new iPads, the M1 chip, the camera. The new iMacs are super cheap compared to the previous ones they've had. It's like 1,500 bucks. Or no, it's like 12 something. Let me take a look because there's different ones. They came out with some new. Let's pull up their website, like a new key tag thing that has it ready, but now they're kind of late to the game. They came out with the purple iPhone. Was something I'm confused about. This is the new iMac. It's pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. I don't need this, but I want it for some reason. M1 chip, whatever. It's thin compared to the other iMacs, which are pretty thick. They have some girth to them. Purple iPhone. This new iPad with the M1 chip, I guess. And 5G too, 5G capabilities. This is pretty sick color, I'm not gonna lie. AirTag. This is the same thing as that one device. It's called a tile, I think it's called, right? A tile. So you can place it in your bag and whatnot just in case you lose it. So here it says attach it one of your keys, whatever. Slip it to a backpack. You could find it. So this is almost like the feature it has already in the iPhone itself, right? Like Find My iPhone. It's almost the same thing. But if you go to the prices on these bad boys, it's like ranging from 12 to 1500. 12.99 to 1700. You can match the color of the keyboard and the little mouse too, which I hate, by the way. This is like Apple keyboard and the mouse are horrible. I guess it's just because I have a big hand. Speaking of big hands and making mistakes, earlier I tried to buy 10 shares of Tesla, and I don't know where the 5 came in from. I guess I tried to buy 10, and I don't know why the 5 came in there, and I bought 105 shares accidentally. I took a $200 loss because of that mistake. So stupid and silly. And I bought at 727, and people were saying, hold it, it's gonna come back. I'm like, no, baby, absolutely not. Uh, that is not good. Dogecoin 34, man. It's down 17% today. Let's see what kind of news do we have on Twitter. Nasdaq. At least at least on Nasdaq we're not dipping and sinking anymore. AMC, what's going on with AMC? We're popping on AMC? Not really. There's not a lot of volume. Lowest volume has been all. What's the volume on GameStop? Elon Musk is trolling on Twitter. You guys remember those shots that Ford took on Tesla? He replied to somebody named Ross that said Dogecoin is not worth more than Ford, and he replied with the laughing emoji. This Ross Gerber. He replied with the laughing emoji, and she replied a reminder. Happy Elon Musk Day. When you realize Elon Musk's birthday is 69 days after 420. Here put hell of a coincidence. That's funny. We live in a simulation. Kramer's Twitter, what is he saying? Let me see. What is he saying? Hashtag marijuana is trending. 3 million volume. It's pretty low. All right, Kramer tweeted 22 minutes ago. Let's take a look together. Thinking of blasting some meme stocks and bogus shorts. What do you think? Cannot be worse than you pumping Coinbase and screwing over your subs. I don't know. I usually like doing the opposite of what Kramer says to do. And recently he's been pumping GameStop and AIM. He's been really for the meme stocks out of nowhere. So I don't know. It's kind of sus, you know? My plans to do the opposite, and now he's on meme stocks. I don't know about you guys, but be really careful. And my heart started pumping when I heard AMC. You will always be an AMC ape. Once an ape, always an ape. I'm an ape forever. Believe it or not, I'm an ape forever. But unfortunately, I have to step off the ship for quite some time after May 4th. We'll see if I hop back in the ship. What do you think about Doge at 5? I mean, at that price, you're pretty safe. As of now, it is coming down. We haven't seen 69 cents like we were hoping for. But we'll see what happens. I feel off. I feel off or I fell off. What's going on, Adam? Kramer said Wall Street bets are buying Clove instead of GameStop. Who is really even playing Clove? It's down today. I said I would not touch this. This is literally, from what it seems like, a pump and dump. Just pure hype. If I was in Clove at 720 and I wake up and it shoots up to 1050, you best believe I'm selling. I'll probably be gone even before that. I'll be gone, baby. My profits would be in my broker. No need to hold this. This is just speculation. All hype. It's down 12% today. SOS2, they announced some contract and it shot up to $4. I would not touch SOS. 575 cryptocurrency mining rigs. That 4 hours not appealing to me. It's not good. Not looking good. Tesla wants to blast off, stroke that candle. Just watch the overall market, obviously. Heat map says we are bleeding as of now. We're pulling on back. Tesla has earnings on Monday. So I would not be surprised if we creep up to like 750s on Tesla. I know we had to respond by Elon as to that accident. Says the autopilot was not even enabled. So let's see if Kathy Wood bought Tesla now that rumor is pushed to the side and we know what really happened. Let's see. You want to YOLO everything on Viacom calls? Be careful. Be careful of Viacom. Not just yet. Not just yet. Not buying the dip yet. Earnings is right around the corner too. Should we wait till after earnings? That's the question I'm starting to ask myself now. GSX is another one you guys brought up. Guys, the cat has bounced on MO. The cat bounced. Still red on the day, but 45 to 47. That's pretty decent. What would be a good investment long term? I can't answer that. It really just depends on you. My strategy is way different than your strategy. And what sector do you want to hop in as well long term? Speaking of Snoop Dogg stocks, Sundial down 10% today. I said I would avoid this. I said I would avoid it, and it's still pooping under $1. The hype is not it's not sustainable on Sundial anymore. APHA down. Came crashing down. ACB down. Hexo down. OGI down 10% too. Seems like they took a hit today on 420. What's going on, Tammy? What you guys think about the Apple's big unveil? I liked it. I mean, on Monday we said it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news, and that's exactly what it's. I mean, overall tech is pushing on down. Nasdaq is bleeding, so that kind of helped make that prediction true. That's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news. It hit a new low, 131. I got to give it to them though. I mean, it's like you don't need that computer. It's more of a want. I like the computer though, and it's pretty cheap. I don't understand why the iPhone. I'm not familiar with the models. I think it's the 11 Plus, right? The newest one. Why it costs the same as the new MacBook. I mean the new iMac. They're the same price. Look at this. They're ranging from 1300 to 1700. This is iPhone price. I didn't even mean to say that. They took a hit on 420. They took a real hit, man. Yeah, it's a want. And they always do this, man. Do you guys buy a product and then like a month later they unveil something better and faster around the same price? I feel like that's what always happens. But it's a bloody Tuesday. Yeah, a lot of things are down today. On days like today, you have to really see what's up. Johnson and Johnson, IBM, Tesla is barely hanging in there. We're still up on Tesla. Good old Tesla. Facebook up 0.11%. UNH, United Health. Man, did the cap bounce on Johnson and Johnson too? But of course, I don't like touching vaccine stonks. Man, GameStop's really thin. It's really thinning out a lot. It's like my hair. It's thinning. I might need a new laptop if this day doesn't turn. That's what I said. I'm like, I know myself. I'm gonna find an excuse on why I need that laptop. And that presentation was like a movie. Apple doesn't disappoint, man. Steve Jobs never disappointed in presentations, and they're continuing that. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna log off the Apple presentation because I know I'm gonna find a reason to buy this when I don't even need it. I know myself. Yeah, Nasdaq causing all of this. We've had that speculation already. Uh, a couple videos ago that this can't keep on going forever. This can't just keep on rallying. There has to be pullbacks. I have these two ovals here highlighted on previous pullbacks, September, mid-October. Healthy retracements before continuing to push up. And we still have that uptrend. The question still remains, how far are we going to pull back and how long and how fast? That's just pretty much it right now, but I don't feel comfortable going long on anything at these highs. If you're buying at these highs, you must be Warren Buffett. Your time in the market versus timing the market. How's SPY? How's the Dow Jones? Pulling back too. How's the VIX? 18, 19 bucks? 1870. These VIX calls, man. Who bought VIX calls? Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, the title of the video I put market close blood. That's what's happening, man. Even Tesla started selling off aggressively midday. I still can't believe I made that stupid mistake on Tesla. I don't know how I did not see that. Simple, stupid mistake. My portfolio is a bloodbath. The beers and the 420s are out. Happy 420. Dogecoin is not loving it. 33 cents on Dogecoin. How's Bitcoin? Let's see Bitcoin. 56.3. It's up $2,000 today. 2.4. 3 weeks red. You think that, Paul? 3 weeks red. Hmm. We still have some pretty big earnings coming out. I think even Bank of America and Morgan Stanley said they expect a pullback. They expect the euphoria to chill out a bit. Let me pull up that article. Because I did think the market was pricing in some crazy earnings. It's like everything's euphoric right now. And with those Rona cases, they're going up too. The cases are increasing. Some may argue it's actually the deaths that are more important than the cases, but Rising cases are not good. Even vaccinations are going up too, so they're both climbing. Why not go in Tesla now? You know it's gonna blow next week for the 28th. 28th. What's happening on the 28th? Am I missing something? I think you meant earnings on the 26th, right? Yeah, you meant 26. No, actually, like I've said, I think Tesla is gonna dump on earnings. I think Tesla will dump on earnings. Don't forget my one BTC for modding this. I already sent you Bitcoin on WhatsApp. You should have received it. All right, GameStop is pulling back. So I sold some of my GameStop on last Wednesday because I 169 because I kind of expected it to pull back to around 150s. I said I would re-add under 150s, and we have not seen a crack on GameStop under 150. As of now, it's still hanging in there, and I don't know. It's not looking the strongest. I'm not gonna lie, guys. We're not seeing these bounces as aggressive as we had here early March. These uptrends here, higher lows. The volume was obviously higher than it is right now, but it might pull back to like 142. And that's where I consider adding again. Uh, bu- 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 no, yeah, Tesla's earnings are on Monday, but I do think it's gonna be. I don't even care what they report, hit or miss. I think it's gonna collapse. I think it's gonna pull on back. Yeah, Ronald, a little paper handy here. That I don't know about depths of hell. I don't know. I don't know about that. For those of my soccer fans, my football fans, the report just in reports of an emergency Super League meeting being set today. I believe JP Morgan fund put in the funds for this too. This is just sad what's happening right now with the whole soccer situation. It's always about money. What price would you be looking to get before Viacom? No, I've been really patient on Viacom. I'm glad I did, because if I would have hopped in, I would have right away for a dead cat. I would have probably jumped in around 47. It's at 37 right now. I would have gone clapped. So I'm still waiting on Viacom and Discovery. They're gonna be trading together, just like we pull up Discovery. Take a look at these charts. Very similar on the spikes, even here at around an hour of market open into market open. Very similar on the spikes. So if Viacom pulls back, Discovery is gonna follow. I think Discovery has a little bit more room to pull down than Viacom. So I might go entering Viacom first and Discovery. So wait for that. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of emails for like promotions and stuff. It's kind of weird for like advertisements, and this didn't even happen before. You know how we had the obviously the view, the sub drop after the AMC situation. I'm kind of curious as to why they're doing it now. But yeah, I've been getting like coffee sponsors. You guys know I love my coffee. Coffee sponsors. Someone, I don't really read the email. Let me see what it says. But they want to like mod the channel. They think I'm a crypto channel. I'm like, do you guys know who you're pitching to or what? It's like maybe they saw the DOGECOIN and they thought it was all crypto, but I'm more for stocks and crypto. I think I'm gonna sell all before 20 shares of GameStop and AMC. Dogecoin 33 cents. IFBD. It got halted. Chinese space provider of artificial intelligence AI stock, eh? Obviously, what's your plan on this? After 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 getting clapped on Coinbase for the IPO, I don't know how comfortable I feel like playing IPOs. I'd rather just wait for them to settle and unfold. I mean, look at Coinbase, 320. Those people above 400 that entered, man, did not cut their loss. Hopefully they learn from that. Or now they have to wait for recovery. Robert says under 33 for Vicom. And Discovery would be a decent entry. Sub 33 would be amazing. But the time frame is the question. How long if we do get a $33? Maybe after earnings. So let's wait and see. Maybe the Proclaim Pros are right about the pending Major League stock to market fall. Like who? Like Michael Burry? Like I said, I think Goldman Sachs and Bank of America they warned. All right, I think here's the article. Bank of America warned of sharp reversal to euphoric sentiment amid sudden selling frenzy. The bank's flow, Bank of America saw the biggest outflow in 5 months as clients were net sellers of a whooping 5.2 billion in U.S. stocks last week, the biggest sales since mid-November. Very smart. Oh, that's what you're talking about? Yeah, and it just makes sense. We're at highs, man. I know we love Dogecoin and stuff, but Dogecoin being worth more than Ford and stuff, it's just like that's kind of insane. Don't you think about it sometimes? It's like I'm all for the memes. I'm all for people making a lot of money, but you have to look at both sides. You have to really, really just come to a conclusion and look at everything. They have been calling it for months, the longest bull market in history with the worldwide pandemic. This is way overdue for correction. The thing is, I know we're due for a correction, but that's not to say that stocks can't go higher. That's not to say that they can't keep going up. To pull up the Nasdaq really quick, even September here, people were probably speculating, "Oh, it's correction time. We're gonna enter a bear market, reversal, bounce, new high, pulls back again, rips to new highs, pulls back, more stimmy, more packages, and then we hit new highs." People are hopeful, but it's just gonna be a matter of time. But I'm telling you, if we do hit a massive bear market and we do see discounts everywhere, I'm waiting for that day. I'm waiting to just load up on some stocks and just ride them out, baby. Ride them out. Ethereum 2300. I was reading about that right now. Let's take a look. Oh, Ethereum's ripping. What was the high on this? Is this the high? I think it is. Ethereum 2300. Sold Nambo. That's all we need, man. One more stimulus and this goes to new highs. Yeah, Godfell's using our thumb our thumbnail. I know I'm not mad about that. I actually like that. I think it's funny. Oh, inflation would hurt not just Tesla, man. It hurt everything. The numbers that are about to come in for the next report are going to be insane. They're going to be nuts. Oh, what's going on, Harry? Yeah, this whole Super League thing is I hope it falls apart. I think Chelsea and I forgot what other team are pulling out today. They're gonna make statements. All right, let's see what Netflix reports. The Roaring Twenties. COVID-18 is trending on Twitter. COVID-18, I'm sorry. Dogecoin is still trending, but Dogecoin price is not liking it. We're at sub 32 now. We're at 32 cents. Let's get a 420 likes. I don't think we'll hit 420 likes in quite a while, but we'll get there. You guys are enjoying the stream, baby. Let's at least hit 69 likes. There's 98 apes in here. Bitcoin is still pushing, guys. 56.6. Neo, $37. I think this one might not come down for us, guys. Hmm. Xpeng. Okay, Spy's bouncing off the Nilo 410. Nasdaq as well. Let's see if we rebound this week too. Tom Brady's out for a while. Yeah, he hasn't been here, man. Where's Tesla going? I have no idea, but I think we might move on forward till earnings. This drop here from 730s all the way down to 710s was due to the flush we had on Nasdaq here earlier this morning. Ivan, I agree. Those VIX options are printing. Yeah, there's a lot of news about Neo too. A lot of momentum. I think they announced a partnership with like a gas station or something like that for a battery swap. Let me look that up. Neo battery swap. Yeah, recharging and battery swap network. You thinking blood for the rest of the week? We were already expecting the pullback. Mm, I think tomorrow we still bleed. Honestly, let's. I'm gonna predict that. I'm gonna say that. I think tomorrow we still bleed. So wait and see. If I was gambling, when do you think the GME is likely to happen? You mean this like a squeeze or another push up of 200? Even with AMC, like I even said in the video when I sold, they're both very catalyst driven. If you don't have any news, and we're seeing this now with the lack of volume, there really isn't going to be any momentum. So I'm gonna go for both on the shareholder meetings. GameStop is June 10 or June 6. June 10 or June 6 and May 4th for AMC. Like I said, if there's a potential re-entry for me in AMC, it's gonna be after that. It's gonna be after that. So just patience. June, right? Yeah, June something. Early June for sure. And June's it's quite a way. So there definitely can be more news catalysts. June 9th? Something around that time. June 6th, 10 or 9th, I don't know. But yeah, that's quite a while from now. So More news catalyst. Let's see what happens. What's going on, Victor? 39 minutes late. You haven't really missed much other than Nasdaq stabilizing out. Um, Sorry, there's a fly. Nasdaq stabling out. Tesla bouncing as well. I know Apple just finished an hour ago on their event, spring loaded. They unveiled some pretty sick products, but how can you forget it's 6-9? Oh, I didn't think about it that way. See, oh, someone said the 10th, so I don't even know now. There's just a lot of numbers to remember. I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of numbers, a lot of data, a lot of names. So you always getting confused. That's how Jamer was born. Jim Cramer, Jamer. Let's see. GameStop annual shareholder meeting 2021. Uh, uh, mm, June 9. June 9. Yeah, 6-9. You're right. Do you reckon Doge will be lit again? I mean, Bitcoin is up 5% today. I don't know why Doge is not pumping. It's at 33. You got to remember at the end of the day, it's a meme, right? It's not really sustained on anything. So it's kind of spooky with the overall market coming down and holding Doge. I'd be a little uneasy. But I don't know what it's gonna do. It's probably gonna come back and test the 30 cent 30 cent mark. If it drops substantially, I'm gonna hop in again. I'm gonna hop in Dogecoin again. That too, yeah. Turkey banned crypto over the weekend. That's why Bitcoin took a big plunge. Even there was some allegations that there was some money laundering with Bitcoin. So that's why Bitcoin fell from like 60K to like mid 50s. I mean, Mark Cuban's Dallas Mavericks is accepting Dogecoin for payments for tickets and stuff. Even a couple of dispensaries, weed dispensaries here in LA, are accepting Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Dogecoin. Yeah, that offering was the 3.5 million shares. Yep, or up to $1 billion. Oh, what are you guys doing? AMC, GameStop. As people look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is trying to come back. Nasdaq is trying to come back, but you guys see this? This is where we fell off the cliff right there. 13,820. So if we do hit that resistance here, I think tomorrow might be another red day. Let's just wait and see. A lot of these Snoop Dogg stocks took a hit, guys. Sundial, including the popular, controversial Sundial, down 10% today. Newegg is accepting Dogecoin. Newegg is it's like that PC type of website, right? Newegg, I think I've heard of it. Newegg. You can buy like PlayStations, PC parts on there. Newegg. Let's see. Let's go on their website. Do they accept Bitcoin? I mean Dogecoin too. Let's see. Uh, let's check out an AMD. PayPal. I don't see Dogecoin on here. Let's see. Add to cart. Mm, I don't see it. Oh, yes, yes. I think I got an email from Webull saying that you can trade on with Doge on there. Just today too. It's definitely gonna add some more volatility to the coin. Oh, what's going on, Star Clouds? All right, GameStop reversing. Yes, Tom Brady's hinting us, guys. He's slightly here. He's half. He's half here. What are your thoughts on Apple and predictions on Apple and, and Disney? I don't really analyze Disney. First of all, I don't like going to Disney. I've never really been a fan of like amusement parks and whatnot. But that's not to say that this stock does not have a lot of attention and a lot of recovery potential. Since November, it's been just popping off. I think even here in LA area, they're barely opening up. So, mm, see, I don't know what to tell you about about Disney, man. It's not a company I follow, so I don't really know much of it. I don't know. I don't really look at like their income, their balance sheet. What was the other one? Apple. I know we covered Apple. I'm not sure if you watched, you saw their events, you tuned in onto their event. New iPads, new MacBooks, all of that stuff. But as for, I'd rather go long on Apple than Disney. I mean, Apple's probably what the biggest market cap in the market, 2 point something trillion. You can't go wrong with Apple, man. And I'm a consumer of Apple. I love Apple. So I'd 100% go more with Apple than Disney. But that's just me. Kucoin, I've heard of Kucoin. I'm trying to get what's that coin I told you guys? Mooncoin? No, I think I got the wrong one. No, it's not Mooncoin, is it? Let me see. Which was up like 160% yesterday. But it's really hard to find. Safe Moon, there you go. Safe Moon. I'm still trying to figure out how to buy it. Why do they make it so complicated to buy these coins? Safe Moon, yes. I get these names confused all the time. It was like at 0.00002, right? This is the coin. The way I'm approaching it is just if you can buy like 200 or 300 bucks of it and just sit on it for years, just leave it. Kevin, I know you try to help. Who tried to help me out yesterday? Bitmart, yes, it was going to Bitmart. On their website, they have like a guide. There we go, Safe Moon. All right, GameStop is reversing, baby, bouncing off 154. Look, they have their website, pretty sick website. There's 809,000 holders. The value, liquidity, market cap is still loading. Discord bot. I need this in my Discord. Speaking of Discord, I'm gonna plug in the free Discord. Everyone that bought sub point one, yeah. GameStop's rallying. It's pushing. What is this? Why do I have, or what is it, 10,000 or 10 million? So it's at, this is the price, guys. Point zero, I don't even know how many zeros that is. 76. This is off Trading View. Interesting. Does anyone have SafeMoon? The easiest way is to transfer Bitcoin from your wallet to Bitmaps and buy SafeMoon. 4 zeros right now. I need glasses. I'm losing my vision. I know that guy, BitBoy. He's that one crypto YouTuber, right? BitBoy, I think I've heard of him. Says one of his members bought $150 worth and is now worth about 4,000. That's not bad. I'm not for safe moon, but money's money. I mean, it's just like 150. See, that's what I'm talking about. Just something you know you're willing to lose, and that's not gonna destroy you. It's like you're not going all in on this, you know? $404 worth, and I'm at 1,200. Nice. There we go, guys. GameStop is creeping. Look at this weird patterns on GameStop. It's not coming sub 150s for me. AMC probably following too. Wants to wake up. 159. All right, there we go. I think Nasdaq just tapped on a resistance line here. Look how beautiful these resistance lines play out. SPY. Alrighty, we have 10 minutes. He streamed it live today. Yeah, he has a lot of, I think he had like 1 million subs, so he has quite a following, and I'm pretty sure some people are gonna follow his recommendations. So maybe he added that volatility to the coin. Maybe his people are the ones who are buying this and causing it to rally. You never know. Let's see what Doge is at. 33 cents still. Verdict has been reached in the Derek Chauvin murder trial. Breaking news. Mm-mm-mm. Even though he said he's not for the meme coins, but he said it's money. He doesn't like Doge, but he bought this. He bought some. I kind of stand where he's at too. It's like I'm all for the meme coins. Oh, I love the meme coins, but you have to really understand it really isn't any like value, I guess you can say. I mean, it's number 5 on the market cap. The numbers don't lie, but the question is it sustainable? CCIV, yeah, this one actually drops up 20. It's coming down 18. I know we have 10 shares at what, 31, 30. I'm not touching these. I keep seeing a billboard too for Lucid Motors in LA. Keep passing by it all the time. So let's wait till they actually have the deliveries. That's what we've been waiting for. Buying here and chasing this stock at $64 with them having zero deliveries is kind of nutty if you ask me. Also, the charges were second degree unintentional murder, third degree. Wait. What was the conclusion? I didn't even click it. So there was 3 charges, right? Considered second degree unintentional murder, third degree murder, second degree manslaughter. So let's wait and see. A verdict expected at 4:30 p.m. Eastern. No, yeah, it hasn't been ready yet. The headlines had they're kind of clickbaity, huh? Look at this headline. Yeah, ask Jen. Jen has been keeping up with the trial. Yeah, that update just came through 4:30 p.m. Eastern. Cities, yeah, there might be, I don't know, there might be riots. Interesting fact. You guys know how the riots here happened in LA? I was robbed at gunpoint that night in downtown LA. Stupid mistake I did for standing outside of a hotel, waiting for my Uber. Took everything, man. The breakaway European Soccer League idea has collapsed. Hopefully it does not happen, man. All right, Tesla pulling back. There was a price target upgrade and that Elon update, Elon tweet. So let's wait and see what happens tomorrow. But overall in the market, guys, very bloody day. Very bloody. I think the blood continues. Let's wait and see. That's nothing new though. This is that's the second time I've been robbed at gunpoint. So it's not my first rodeo. And I was there in LA for business, man. I just had to. It was just nuts seeing the riots. It was crazy. Wrong place at the wrong time. Maybe they knew. Maybe they knew I'd sell AMC. Are you kidding me? You guys are funny. You're making a play on CCI. I only have 10 shares of CCIV. It's like you're kind of gambling that they're going to be able to get to Tesla's level in the coming years with the growing EV market. So that's just my little bet. And I'll add more if there's more downside on CCIV, but not rushing this. Not rushing at all. No rush, baby. 157. We got 3 minutes and 40 seconds before the market closes. What a day. I can't get over that comment, man. I can't get over that comment. Dogecoin 33 still. Dogecoin is still trending here, guys. Guess what's trending on Twitter too? Safe Moon, baby. Safe Moon. It's official. Safe Moon broke the internet. 800K holders. So I guess Binance crashed because of Safe Moon. Hmm. Man, these coins are just pumping left and right. What's the next coin? That's gonna be like Dogecoin. Oh yeah, there we go. Europe Super League holds emergency meeting as plans collapse. There we go. Collapse that bad boy. Safe Moon is a mega Ponzi. Get your money and get out. We'll see. We'll see. My phone's gonna die. Nasdaq resistance at the trend line, man. You guys know what this is. Previous support becomes what? Current resistance. That's exactly what we're seeing right now. Let's remove this really quick. So my guess is more blood tomorrow. Bloody waters tomorrow. All right, 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm gonna start my own coin. Pokemon token charts are being hyped. I did not hear about that. I remember these. All right, GameStop's pushing to market close. We have 50 seconds, baby. Tesla token. Tesla token. It's gonna go to the moon. We're all gonna become millionaires. The Ralphie coin. Roche coin, Ralph's coin. The Jamer coin to honor our little ape. All right, here we go. 15 seconds. The Jamer coin. I'm pretty sure I can pull something off like that. A Jamer coin or a Tesla coin. All right, get your ears ready. It's gonna be pretty loud. The bell's always loud, man. All right, see GameStop. 46K on the dark pool OTC. That just came in right now. AMC 289,000. These blocks are crazy. The Rafiki coin Jamer. And just like that, a new meme is born. Uh, Boris Johnson says decision by Chelsea and Manchester City to withdraw from the Super League is confirmed. Chelsea, Chelsea. Ooh, who cares about after hours? After hours doesn't really matter anymore. Surprised there's no ape coin. Maybe in the future, we'll see. We'll leave you guys with this. Dogecoin still trending. Dogecoin is at 33 cents. Tesla at 718. I do think there is more room for downside tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for another live stream. No video today. I'm gonna have a banger of a video tomorrow. Banger of a video tomorrow, which I'm gonna start working on right now. So with that being said, I'll see you guys pre-market. Tomorrow's not Saturday. Tomorrow's not Saturday. Hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Likewise, Tammy. Ciao.